So very apparently I thought this was gonna be a camera, so I wanted to take a picture of myself. Turned out to be a video. I took 2 videos for this. One was like a why is it taking a picture? But you know, I am dumb. Anyways, talking about, what's it called? Time machines, aliens, stuff like that. I need to get my fucking license back so I can get a car, so I can drive. But first I gotta have this baby, because I can't do many things with this. Damn. And I'm turning 21 in July, which is May, June, July, in 3 months. But I'm not having a baby till October or November. We'll see. Fucking bored. Being here. Alone in my room. Seriously. Billy's got this apple pie. It smells so good. So good. I'm gonna eat it if he doesn't. But he got me one earlier, so I can't touch it. Maybe I get lucky. Yeah. I don't know. Boredom leads to videos. Actually, I was planning on camera, but since I can't do that, but I can do effects, I think. That's fun. Have roses all over me, and snow, I guess, or maybe things are not what they are. What's that? It's a party in my pants. Just kidding. Ding ding, got late. What's it called? Idea. Going crazy here. Crazy. Okay, bye. I guess. Okay. If I can stop this motherfucker.